Hey guys, welcome back to Chef Development, and today on One Pan Wonders we are making chicken Caesar salad. I know what you're thinking, Al, we don't need a pan to make salad. Well, of course we don't, dum-dum, but we're making chicken Caesar salad, and if we want delicious golden crispy skinned chicken, we are going to need a pan. Now, chicken Caesar salad was one of the very first dishes I ever made in the very first restaurant I ever worked in, so it has a very special place in my heart. This salad's going to be a little bit more exciting than the one I used to make, with the addition of smoky paprika, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, to take this salad to another level. So let's get down to it. So we're going to start off by making some croutons for our Caesar salad. So you're going to need some crusty bread, whether it be sourdough or maybe a leftover loaf, or if you're feeling a bit fancy, some brioche. Any of that stuff will do. Now you can cut the bread into chunks or you can tear it up, which is my personal favourite. It gives you a little bit more variety in the sizes of your croutons. Now I use crust and all because I like it nice and crispy, but if you want to trim these off, you can. Once you've got them to the size you need them to be, you can put them into your frying pan and you can put them to one side. So you're going to pick a little bit of roast meat and you need to chop it nice and fine. So when you think it's chopped enough, give it one more go and then one more go again, just in case. Once that roast meat's chopped, you can put that into the pan with the breadcrumbs, and then on top of that, you're going to add a little bit of olive oil and then some salt and pepper. Once you've got all those ingredients in the pan, get your hands in there and give it a really good mix to make sure that bread is completely covered in that olive oil, rosemary and seasoning. Once everything's coated nice and evenly, it's time to get this into the oven. Cook the croutons for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're crisp and golden brown, and then take them out of the oven and put them to one side. While the croutons are cooking, it's the perfect time to start making your Caesar dressing. So the ingredients you're going to need for the dressing are 100ml of mayonnaise, 1 garlic clove, a few anchovy fillets, juice of half a lemon, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 30 grams of parmesan. So to make the Caesar dressing, what we're going to do is going to put the mayonnaise into a bowl along with the Dijon mustard and the Worcestershire sauce. Then we're going to add some crushed garlic, some finely chopped anchovies, some freshly grated parmesan, the juice of half a lemon, salt and black pepper, and then mix the whole lot together. Taste it, adjust the seasoning, adding more lemon juice, salt and pepper as necessary until you're happy with the flavour. You want this to be strong and sharp. Alright, it should have a real impact in this salad. Don't be afraid of adding more ingredients to make some really bold flavours. Once you've made your dressing, your croutons should be ready. So you can get them out of the oven and you can put them into the same bowl as the dressing. You don't have to do this, but it just helps save on a little bit of washing up. I'm a little bit lazy when it comes to the washing up. I just like to minimise the amount of cleaning I have to do later. Now we need some chicken breasts for our Caesar salad, and I'm going to do it old school and take the breast straight off the bird. But you don't have to do this. You can just buy your chicken breasts as they are from the butcher or from the supermarket, wherever you get your chicken from. But if you're interested in breaking down the bird yourself, I'll leave you a link to one of my other videos where I show you step by step how to break down the bird so you have all the different joints that you might need. I recommend giving it a go because it's really good fun and it's well worth it. It's super satisfying when you do it. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to give this a go. Once you've got your chicken breasts, get them into a bowl and generously season them with sea salt. Sprinkle over that sweet smoky paprika and then toss those chicken breasts all together to get a really good coating of that seasoning and paprika all over the chicken. Just make sure you wash your hands really, really well after handling raw chicken because there's some pretty nasty stuff found on it, including salmonella and E. coli that we do not want to be spreading around the kitchen. So once your chicken's well coated in the paprika, you're going to heat up a splash of oil in the frying pan that you cooked your croutons in. Then you're going to lay the chicken in the pan, skin side down. Make sure to push the chicken down really well so it's nice and flat against the pan so you get a really nice, even, crispy skin on that chicken. Fry the breasts over a medium heat for about 5 minutes until the skin is golden brown and crispy. Then flip over and cook on the other side for about 2 minutes. Once that's done, flip the chicken back over, skin side down, and place the chicken breast in the oven and roast until cooked through. This is going to take about 10 to 12 minutes depending on how hot your oven is and how thick the chicken breasts are. If you're not sure if your chicken breast is cooked all the way through, why not use a temperature probe? All you need to do is make sure it reaches 72 degrees C and you're good to go. Once cooked, remove from the oven and leave to rest for about 5 minutes. While the chicken breast is resting, it's the perfect time to finish off that salad. So the bowl where you've got your croutons and your dressing, you can start breaking up your salad leaves and putting them into the same bowl. You can chop it up with a knife if you want, but personally I like to rip the salad leaves into big old chunks with my hands and then mix everything together. Finish off your salad with some fresh shavings of parmesan and then toss the whole thing together, making sure that dressing's coating all the croutons, the salad leaves and that shaved parmesan. Once you've tossed those salad leaves, that chicken should be rested. So now it's time to carve it and get this salad plated up. Let's do it. One of the best dishes you can make. Shouldn't speak my mouth full. This has to be one of the best recipes that you can possibly make just using one pan. The smoky paprika, that sharp tangy Caesar dressing is just fantastic. So if you like this chicken Caesar salad recipe, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And if you're new here and you like what you see and you want to see more of it, why not hit that subscribe button instead? I'm gonna finish this bad boy and I'll see you next time. This is just be so good even the dog wants some. Whoa, nearly went for it. Oh.